Hello everyone, so I'm back again with another video. So what I want to share is that I have a scholarship for data science. They are using Python in this case. So the scholarship is from the best university, the online university, the WorldQuant University. So if you are someone who is interested in getting into a data science field and also in the tech, so this is the chance for you. So what is needed for you in this case? You just need a calculator and also a biro pen and a place where to write, because you'll have to do a math test in this case in order for you to qualify for this scholarship. So the pass mark is 16 and above. In this case, you'll have an opportunity to redo the test for the second at that time, and then after failing for the third time, I don't think you'll have another opportunity to get this scholarship. So after getting the first scholarship, that is data science lab 1, you'll have an opportunity to apply for another scholarship to do deep learning and computer vision using the same institution. The way the course is structured, you have to learn some basic things when it comes to Python programming, and also you'll have an opportunity to do projects and also assignment in this case. And to final it up, you'll get a certificate from this university, and also you can create your own portfolio from this training after the completion of the course in this case. So just follow me, make sure to give me a like and also a follow, and also something else, just follow the next step on how to get the scholarship. Yeah, so look at this is the continuation of my video. So you just need to go to your best web browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome in this case. So the first thing what you're supposed to do is to search WorldQuant. It's WorldQuant University. WorldQuant. In this case, don't go for WorldQuant Brain, go for WorldQuant University in this case. So in this case, for example, because I'm already in this case, I'll select, for example, the WorldQuant University, which is, I think, this one, WorldQuant University. So when I click or I select the WorldQuant University, you'll see the first page or the first link. In this case is WorldQuant University. You just need to click on it in this case. So when you come to this page, so don't forget the first step will be like to go to the part where you were interested with. So in this case, if you are the first beginner in this part, you need to register with the university, and then because you'll also be required to have an account in this case. So just scroll downward. I'll just scroll up to the bottom page. So at the bottom page, I'll go to the applied labs in this case. So at the labs, this is what I want to show you. These are the opportunity you have in this case: data science lab details, data science lab application, AI lab details, AI lab application. So you'll have an opportunity to apply for data science lab application and AI lab application in this case. So I'll click on data science lab details in this case. So for example, for this one is just to learn on how you can apply for this scholarship. So it's to gain the fundamental data science skills required for this growing field of data science. So completely online. So this means you need a good internet connection, a laptop, and maybe some kind of a Wi-Fi in this case, and yeah, something like that. So it's completely online, 100% free of cost, regular focus on applied learning in this case. So in this case, what you'll be doing, you'll be learning end-to-end data science project like data cleaning, analysis, model building, communication skills, and also on how to integrate APIs to your web applications in this case. So this is one of the best, I could say, a scholarship that you can get to 2025 in order for you to get started with data science. The course is entirely free, as you can see. It's 16-week recommended. You learn beginner level Python skills, familiarity with the basic statistics. Passing score for this one, you need 66 and above in order for you. I think the first I mentioned 60, but it is 66. I think you have to 66% in order for you to get this scholarship. So what you will learn in this case, in the dynamic learning environment, students get real-time feedback and opportunity to collaborate with their peers and participate in live office hours. So you still have an opportunity where you can still participate. So you will explore the Mexican real estate market. So this will be the first project in the course number 1, real estate data. You'll also build a model for customer segmentation in the US. So you'll also predict the apartment prices in Buenos Aires, Argentina. You'll also build a model to predict air quality in Nairobi, Kenya. So number 5, you'll also assess building damage following the 2018 earthquake in Nepal. Also build a model to predict bankruptcy in Poland in this case. So these are the kind of projects that you learn after maybe getting an opportunity to get that 66 pass mark. So database management, data cleaning, regression and classification models, ethics in machine learning, business insights, and intelligence and data visualization. So from this project, I think at the end you can be able to create your own portfolio and showcase in interviews, job interviews, that kind of thing. So this is one of the best scholarship I could mention right now. So after this, you'll have an opportunity to also proceed and apply for AI lab application in this case. So this is just simple like that. So after this, you just need to go back here. You go now to data science application in this case. So this is where to start application. So for your case, you'll click here, start the new application. So when you click start new application, you'll be required to register and enter your details, such kind of things. And then from there, you can have 40 minutes to do a math test, and you have to score 66 in order for you to get it. It's just simple mathematics. It's high school and beginner level campus. I think statistical and basic mathematics. Yeah, that's what I could say. So don't forget to give me a like and also a follow for more content. Yep.